your name?
My name is Jitendrabhai.
My name is Petrol.
Okay.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black and white. And which is your favorite color?
My favorite is red.
Okay, nice color.
Do you like cricket?
I like cricket. Which sports do you like?
I like always cricket. Which sport do you like?
Also cricket.
Okay. Who is your favorite cricketer?
What's your
My favorite cricketer is Sachin Tendulkar. Which is your favorite sports person?
Sports person, I don't know, but many more.
Name one. Name one.
Name one. I like to always Virat Kohli. Who is your best person in your life?
my father?
Okay, your father is your hero.
Yes.
Okay, nice.